This is how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Bitget. In this video, you will see how I transfer my USDT using my Bybit app to my Bitget exchange. This is my Bybit exchange app. For you to know the makeup of this balance, you come to asset, you click your asset. You can see account on Bybit. It's either your crypto is under funding account or unified account. Or before you can do tradings with your funds, you must move your money to unified account. For you to know the asset, you click asset. All my funds are currently on USDT over $17, and you can see this USDT. If you click account, it's under funding account. I can only move this money out of Bybit if the funds is under funding account. If this fund is under unified account, I must transfer it to funding account before I can move it out. How do you do the transfer? You just click transfer. You can see funding to unify. If it is other crypto that you want to choose, you select the crypto here, but my crypto is USDT. You select the amount you want to move. If your crypto is on unified account and you want to move it out of Bybit, it has to be on funding account. So you tap this place so that the funds can be moved from here to here. Then you select the cryptos. You choose the amount of funds you want to transfer from unified account to funding account. I come back. My USDT is under funding account, and if you click asset, it's on USDT. So for me to withdraw this USDT to Bybit, I will click withdraw. You can see funding 17.7. If you are looking for that crypto, you come to this place, then you search for cryptos. You will see the list of all the cryptos. Then you can select the crypto you want to transfer. And since I'm doing USDT transfer from Bybit to Bitget, I will select this. When you get to this place, you can see withdraw. You've selected your crypto that you are sending. You need to select network. This is where you put the address of where the USDT is going on Bitget. So you have to go to Bitget to pick your Bitget USDT exchange address. But before you go, you come to network to decide how you can save money. Click the network. When you are doing transfer on most exchange, you are going to pay gas fee. The amount of fee you pay depends on the network you use. That is why you have to consider your network before you go and pick the wallet address on Bitget exchange. Because when you choose a network here, you must choose the same network wallet address on Bitget. So let's check the best fee for us. Now we have option of, we can choose Ethereum. Look at the fee, $8 is very costly. This is $1.6. Arbitrum $1. Sol $1. Those are the fee. So we're looking for cheap transfer here. This is Mantle network, is 0 transfer. This is Kava EVM. All these are cheap. Cello $1. Ton, these are good pricing. We are going to Bitget to go and look for Mantle, Kava, EVM or Ton. Otherwise, if none of these are not on Bitget, we just go with regular Binance Smart Chain network, which will cost us $1. But let's go and check. This is my Bitget exchange app. This is where we want to transfer the USDT to. To accept deposit to Bitget using your app, you click add funds. Add funds. You come to this place. Look at it. Add funds. The funds that you want to add is not through credit card, it's not through P2P, it's not through bank transfer, it's not through third-party payment. I have crypto assets, so it's going to be deposit crypto because we are depositing USDT from Bybit to Bitget. So you click this, you tap this place, you tap here, and look at it. Select coin. You search the crypto that you want to transfer from Bybit to Bitget. You can search here, but since you can see it, it is USDT Theta. You just pick it. Don't forget that we are here to choose the best network for this transaction. The cheapest network on Bybit for this transfer is Mantle network, Kava network or Ton network. This is Ton. Ton is there one. You can see Kava is here too. So we have Ton network or Kava network. This one will take credit time 3 minutes. Minimum deposit is 0.01, 12 blocks. Let's look at Ton. This is Ton. Minimum deposit is 0.01, 3 minutes. So we have options either to choose Ton or Kava. So let's go back to Bybit. So we are in Bybit. Kava is 0.3 and Ton is 0.3. So let's go for Ton network. You choose Ton network. You click, you tap it. You go back to Bitget to pick Ton USDT wallet address on Bitget exchange. So we choose this. Don't forget, you must use the same address. So what you do here is you just copy the address here. So this is Ton network address. You can see deposit USDT. You want to use Ton network. You can snap this with your phone to capture the address, or you copy this address and you can send this address to your friends and family members. I'm going to copy this address. Copied. So I go back to Bybit. Don't forget we are using Ton network. So I will paste the address here. Ensure that you pasted correct address. You can see it says most exchanges require tag or memo for USDT deposit to be credited correctly. Make sure to provide the tag memo as required for your withdrawal. There's no need for tag. The address is correct. You just select the amount you want to transfer. You can type the amount you want to transfer, but the minimum you can transfer is 1 USDT. I want to transfer all the money. I will just click maximum. So this is all I will get. The fee has been deducted immediately. You've selected the amount you want to withdraw. You just tap withdraw. You can see security verification. Here is on-chain withdrawal. We are transferring USDT on Ton network. This is the wallet address. This is the amount you are transferring. This is the gas fee. If you don't want any check next time for this address, you check this place so that next time you are doing transfer, you use Ton network Bitget address so that it will be saved automatically. If everything is okay here, you just click confirm. To effect this transfer, you click confirm. You are expected to do the security verification, that is the code to your email and your Google Authenticator to your phone. You paste the two authenticator, then you confirm. You can see withdrawal application submitted. You just click OK. So you have to go to Bitget to go and check if the money is there. This is Bitget home. The current balance I have is $4. You just continue to refresh and you can click your asset again. Look at it. Deposit 17.4 USDT completed. You can see this is Bybit app. There's no more funds there. You can see USDT is now zeroized and you can see the money USDT 17.4 inside Bitget exchange app. So this is how to receive USDT from Bybit to your Bitget exchange using your Bitget exchange app. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comments, and I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.